Well, I couldn't help to just do a bit of a video on this one. We've actually got our first Toyota LandCruiser back in the shop for some run and repairs, service and a few updates. This was actually the first cruiser that we ever put portals on, and it was actually my car. So we've got a 2014 GXL Cruiser. I actually updated the bonnet on it a couple of years later, make it look a bit better. She's come back for some run and repairs. We've done a service, portal service, had some new shocks put under her. This rig's actually covered a fair bit of ground. It's seen the salt, it's seen the dirt, it's seen every state except for Western Australia actually. So, and the new owner, Donna, he's about to head up to the Cape with his family very soon. So, but I've got Richo here with me. He's done a few additional four-wheel drive accessories on it that the owner's spec'd up, mate. So you tell us a bit about them, mate, and what you've got done.
Yeah, we've done a bit of wiring, added a twin air compressor, air tank, we've added the clear view mirrors and a few other things to help on that trip.
I was just running the single compressor down the back initially for the portals, and I would run a just an airline to pump up the tyres, but when you get the big 35s, the twin compressor and a tank certainly helps, yeah. We'll go for a bit of a walk around quickly. I see he's got the full Enerdrive kit in the back of the canopy too, Richo.
Yes, yep.
And then he's got some solar added to the roof now.
Yep.
The good old SIA canopy, she's holding up well. So that air tank, mate, it's just located up under the tray.
It's actually located in the left-hand side toolbox, along with the twin compressor, but it still gives you enough room to actually use the toolbox while you're going for this customer's got air hoses and all that sort of stuff in there as well.
Yeah. So when we initially put Jed's canopy on here, it was for a desert trip that we were about to head off on. We had a family of 5, so we put in a couple of Ironman fridges, and then in the trailer we had another Ironman fridge. So it's got the MSA slides. And mate, you're just telling me that you had to give these a bit of a service?
Yeah, I gave them a bit of service, a bit of a clean up for over the years. Replaced the struts on one of them. Other than that, they're all good. They slide nice, beautifully now. Yep.
Seen a lot of corrugations and...
Yeah, and that's where you should still do your maintenance on them. They need to be cleaned and lubed.
Yeah, it's like anything, mate, isn't it? I mean, if you do some heavy going, some heavy trips, the equipment is going to need attention and service, isn't it? Yep. Yeah, that's what I've found with a lot of gear. But the old Ironman fridge too, they've worked really well.
While I was in here, I've gone through all the electrical, made sure everything was all good, especially other people have been in there, so I've gone in, made sure everything's all nice and clean and no bare wires or anything like that.
Yeah, all looking good. I love this car. I was actually thought I was hitting a bit when I got in her and drove her away with the portals under it. So, and I really enjoyed driving it, and I'm really pleased to see that another family's having a lot of fun with it. Yeah, it's a cracker of a rig.